Welcome to Zoomer's RV. Today we have a 2003 Forest River Salem fifth wheel, model 32BHSS. This unit has one slide, aluminum sides. It's got a slide out awning on the slide, four cornered leveling jacks. Excuse me, two cornered leveling jacks in the back. Nice big slide. Decals are in very good condition. Exterior shower. This unit is 33 feet in length, dual axle. It's got a dry weight of 8,800 pounds. Nice big awning. This is a bunk house again. 6-gallon hot water heater. Front bedroom here. Let's take a look inside. Queen size mattress in your bedroom up front. That's an island bed. You can walk all the way around with some overhead storage above the bed and also a side cabinet. Just on the other side of the wall is your entertainment center. Place to hook up your TV. Down in the living quarters in your slide out is your 3-seater sofa that also pulls out into a bed. Overhead storage throughout the entire slide. Next to your bed or your sofa is your Dinette booth. Table also will fold down to make into a bed. And a nice little computer station with a chair and table. Nice aluminum blinds throughout the whole unit. In great condition. Entertainment slide or entertainment center, excuse me, on the other side of your bedroom with your stereo system already hooked up. Speakers are in the ceiling here up front and also in the back. Rooftop AC control box is right there. Also has a ceiling fan. In your kitchen you have your 60/40 dual basin sink, 3-burner stove top, and gas oven. Overhead convection microwave with lots of storage and pantries in the kitchen as well. Here you have a pantry next to your Dinette refrigerator and freezer. Moving back to the back of the unit is your bathroom with your porcelain foot flush stool and sink. Then your shower and tub base with overhead skylight, detachable shower head, medicine cabinet. In the very back you have 3 bunks, twin size mattresses. It's a very neat setup. And also you have a second door with access to your back bedroom. And here in the corner you have a spot for another TV hookup and a closet on this side. Very nice unit. Carpet in the bedrooms and slide. Tile laminate flooring in the kitchen. Very clean unit. No signs of pet smoke or water damage. There's a shot from the front to the back. It's a very nice unit. If you have any other questions, please call. Thanks for watching.